Welcome to A-Tech. In this video we are going to show you how to recover Gmail account without phone number and recovery email. Even if you have lost access to your Gmail, or you have lost your phone, still you can recover your Gmail account. Before moving further, like this video, tap on subscribe button and tap on bell icon to get all the notification for the latest uploaded videos. So first of all you have to navigate Google app, hold the Google app, tap on app info. Now click on permissions, and here tap on location. In last click on don't allow, tap on don't allow anyway again, now minimize this one. Now you have to navigate Google Chrome browser. Hold the Google Chrome browser, tap on app info. Now press the permissions option. And here tap on location. In last tap on don't allow anyway again and minimize Google Chrome also. Now open Google Play Store. And search UC Browser. On first no, you will find UC Browser. So download it and then install in your phone. Now open the UC Browser. Search for google.com and click on the first link of google.com. Now click on Sign In option. Here you have to type the Gmail account that you want to recover, and then tap on Next. Here Google will ask for password, so click on Try Another Way. Here you have two options, so select again Try Another Way. Now you can see two-step verification interface, so again click on Try Another Way, here again select Try Another Way to sign in. Finally here you can find Couldn't Sign You In option. So don't click on Try Again. Doing so can lock your Gmail permanently. So now minimize it. And you have to open phone settings. Now scroll down and then here you will see the option Google. Tap on it. And here at the top right side you will see three dots, tap on it. And you will see the help option. Tap on help and you will land here in the bottom you will see search help option, tap on it. Now search lost or stolen phone. Tap on first option, fix common issues with two-step verification. Here you can find recover your account option. Here click on tips to complete account recovery steps. Now click on account recovery page. Here account recovery process is start. Now type your Gmail that you want to recover. Here you can see welcome back option. So simply click on update password option. And type your strong password and then re-enter it again. So now your password is saved and your Google account is recovered successfully. After recovering your account, go to account security and apply two-step verification. That is from today. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment.